Welcome back to Black Swan Outdoors, and today we're going to do a notebook tip. I'm doing a whole series on how to prepare a notebook for non-permissive environment travel, so if you're interested in that, check out those YouTube videos. Today's tip is how to use your notebook. This is what many people don't often realize, is that they're using their notebook wrong. When you're taking notes, particularly longer notes, you don't start with the spirals on the top. In fact, you want to start with the spirals on the bottom. Take your notations from the top down and then flip the book over and continue writing. When you get back to your computer, you can just open it up just like this, and you have a much easier way to write down or write your story or your notes as reporters use it. And that is why reporters use this style of notebook. This is a quick tip from Black Swan Outdoors. Check us out if you like these things.